I think you've got a buddy, Dev.
Somebody like
Look at that tail. Huh?
My arm is soaking wet.
From spit.
Stop.
look at him jump.
He's happy again.
Say what we do is get him through the top.
Wet.
Tell him to say stop, Chubz.
Stop.
Smack his
Stop.
nose.
Stop.
Mommy, look. Mom.
You got him all wrapped up. He's big as a horse. I think he's actually bigger than you, Dev.
Oh my God, Dave.
It's wrapped around his leg.
I know. I keep trying to get it out, but he keeps jumping.
Be still, Chubz.
Look at his back. Look at David. He scratched all the pieces. Oh my God.